Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to merge duplicate transactions in Wave. It's going to be a quick one as usual, so let's get into it. First thing you're going to need to do is go to accounting, and then under accounting, you're going to find transactions and click on that. And then you're going to look for transactions that appear twice, often due to both manual and bank feed. But then you can just decide which one to keep. And once you've decided, you can delete the duplicate by clicking the trash icon. Optionally, you can edit the remaining transactions to include all correct details. You can also reconcile your accounts afterwards to ensure accuracy. Clearing duplicates keeps your books clean, and in the next video I'm going to show you how to use Wave's mobile app for on-the-go management, so stay tuned if you're interested in that. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. I will see you in the next one.